Ever fumble with your iPhone trying to grab a screenshot, missing the moment? Don't worry, I'm about to show you 3 super easy ways to capture anything on your iPhone screen in a snap. First up, the classic button method. This works on almost all iPhones. Locate the side button Y, that's the one on the right, Y, and the volume up button on the left side of your phone. Now, press both the side button and the volume up button at exactly the same time. It's a quick press Y, don't hold them down. If you do, you might activate Siri or the power off screen instead. Did you see that flash and the little thumbnail pop up? That means you successfully took a screenshot. Tap the thumbnail to edit, share, or delete it. Otherwise, it'll automatically be saved to your Photos app. Next, let's explore AssistiveTouch. This is a lifesaver. If you have trouble pressing buttons, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In Accessibility, find and tap Touch. Then, tap AssistiveTouch at the top of the screen. Toggle AssistiveTouch to on. You'll see a small virtual button appear on your screen. Customize the AssistiveTouch menu. You can set a single tap, double tap, or long press of the AssistiveTouch button to take a screenshot. Just select Screenshot from the list of options. Now, simply tap your virtual button the way you set it to capture your screen. Finally, let's unlock the magic of Backtap. Backtap is another accessibility feature that lets you take a screenshot by tapping the back of your iPhone from the accessibility menu. Scroll down and tap Touch, then Backtap. Choose either double tap or triple tap, and then select Screenshot from the list. Now, just tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times, depending on what you selected, and boom, screenshot taken. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to capture screenshots on your iPhone. Now you can save and share those funny memes, important information, or high scores with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.